Good morning, fifth grade. The title of this lesson, what is a plant? Objective, you will explain how a plant makes its food. 2, you will understand the 2 groups of plants and explain what type of plants are in those groups. You have 3 essential questions. How do plants make its food? What are the 2 types of plant groups? And 3, what type plants are in those groups? Just directions. Follow along with me to view the video for today's lesson. There are 3 questions you have to answer for the discussion. Make sure that you answer them 1, 2, and 3. What is a plant? Plants are living things that grow on land or in water. So one of our essential questions, what is a plant? Plants are living things that grow on land or in water. From snowy mountain slopes to dry, hot deserts, plants can survive almost anywhere on Earth. Plants can be divided into 2 groups, flowering plants, for example, sunflowers, orchids, and most types of trees. So that's one type. Plants can be divided. Okay, so flowering plants. So that's one type or one group. The other group is non-flowering plants, which includes mosses and ferns. All plants make their own food, taking energy from sunlight. Unlike animals, plants cannot move from place to place and are rooted in the ground. So there are 2 groups of plants. You have the flowering plant. Flowering plants make up the biggest group of plants. They are found in most parts of the world. About two-thirds of flowering plants live in hot, wet, tropical areas. Included in this group are trees, shrubs, and individual flowers. And we'll explore more about flowering plants in the next lesson. Non-flowering plants. There it is. I knew it was on there somewhere. There are 2 main types of non-flowering plants. One group, which includes mosses, ferns, and their relatives, do not produce flowers or seeds, but reproduce using dust-like particles called spores. The second group are conifers. They are non-flowering, but do still produce seeds. So let's go back and look at your essential questions. How do plants make its food? What are 2 types of plant groups, and what type of plants are in those groups? You need to answer it 1, 2, and 3.